Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get this tattoo filter on your TikTok app. So if you want to see what you would look like as a tattoo, then let me show you how to get this filter. So for this, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or App Store. So go ahead and download that. Once downloaded, you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. In TikTok, you're looking for the following account, Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page. Now stay till the end of this video as that template or the filter will appear right here. For now, I'll go ahead and use it from my favorites. So this is the type of video which we're going to create. So once you're ready, tap on CapCut, try this template. And then go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. Then tap on Use AI Template. Now you want to go ahead and take a photo of yourself. And tap on Next. Now let CapCut apply the AI effect on it. So it'll basically convert this photo into a tattoo on an arm. So just give it a few minutes. And now once the effect has been applied, you'll see yourself as a tattoo on someone's arm. So once you're happy with that, tap Export, then tap on Save and Share to TikTok. And then go ahead and tap on Next, add your captions and your cover page. And then go ahead and post this to your TikTok account. So for those of you who are trying to find this filter, go to your TikTok app, go to this account, Test the Simple Dad. And then you'll find the tattoo filter here, and then tap on CapCut, try this template, and then you'll be able to use that filter from here. So there you go guys, that is how to get the tattoo filter on TikTok.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.